I'm Cory with LED Lighting Supply. I dragged one of our product specialists, Joe, in for a few quick rounds of whatever comes to your mind first, Joe. All right, Joe, ready for the first one?
All right, let's do it.
High bay lights.
I think of warehouses, more industrial locations with high ceilings, higher mounting heights, looking for energy efficient lights when you think about high bays, and also just a good quality fixture that's going to last.
All right, now it's Joe's turn to hit me with one.
We'll go with poles.
Poles. I think of parking lot poles. I think of the new tariffs that just came into place beginning of June here. I think of composite. We manufacture composite poles right here in the USA. So no tariffs means lower costs for the customers.
Absolutely.
Give me a fun one now.
Most fun projects to work on is sports lighting.
Specific example.
Baseball.
Baseball.
All right, Cory, my category is baseball.
T-ball league.
Yep.
Las Vegas, if I recall. It is actually a project you've been working on.
Yeah, that was a good project.
5K or 4K in terms of color temperature for anyone watching.
I think a lot about horse arenas. That's a pretty common request, either 4,000 or 5,000K. It really comes down to each individual user, and that's where a lot of our recommendations come down to too, is we're making a personalized recommendation opposed to just throwing a dart at the board and hoping that it sticks.
Spend the time doing a lighting plan or skip it if you think you know what you need.
In most cases, I prefer to run a lighting plan. If it's a replacement, very confident that we don't need to run a lighting plan. A lot of experience with replacements, especially if we're doing a direct one-for-one. I don't think a lighting plan is needed, but if it's new construction or you guys want to change the setup, I do think a lighting plan is needed to confirm the results.
What you got for me?
High temperature.
Right away, I think about this project we did in the Middle East. Large manufacturing facility, 500 of our high temperature units rated to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That was a really cool project. Joe, to wrap it up, what is your single favorite product that you've ever sold at LED Lighting Supply?
I could do the IMF too, probably. Pretty much any youth sports projects, that's my favorite projects to do. So that's a fixture that really you can do almost anything with. It comes with the marine grade coating option, and so you can put it in almost any application and it'll perform great for you. And we have tons of project photos, tons of happy customers that use them, and we bring in tons of stock. So that's another good thing about them.
Pallets and pallets.
Pallets and pallets.
Right over there.
So
Awesome. Thanks, Joe.
All right, thank you, Cory.